fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born.
Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that.
As dusk turn to dawn, I keep growing. Seeking knowledge, keep gnawing. Saying cheese without my teeth, Sean. That's right, I'm hot now. Headed to the top now. I got it on lockdown. About to hold my whole block down in Parktown. Rolling up a dub. Standing cruising. Those with my tunes got the West showing love. See my name on the bills and people showing up. To see me, shit is real, cause I ain't even old enough to buy lotto tickets. But I guess my motto didn't lie. People don't listen until you really fly. Top 5 dead or alive. Thinking I fit the 5, but you gon' think I lie. Cause I ain't never hit my eyes. The ill-minded, free will signing. World domination consignment, I co-sign it. I done reached my goal, but I'm not done being a monitor. Underground climbing, they can't dig it, can't. Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born.
Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that.
It's the Brooklyn representative, no artificial intelligence. Just thinking enlightened, ain't even take flight jet. I know you feel me, pull out your camcorders, halves and ounces, just ordered. You see your change, it's just my aura. Or in time I became a reflection of brains, cash, Mary Jane. What did I forget to mention? Well, fat blunt since the age of 15. Y'all smoke toothpicks, I pick the steak out of my teeth. Bon appetit, I'd rather be homesick than homesick. Plastic cups with rubber toast and keep me posted like pics. Not budging the ball and you can't run out of here. Don't blink till you reach the top. Keep up with stairs, no competition. Y'all smoke on the regular, my way only. High grades, inhale the indica, exhale the nebula. The cipher secular, no sharing when they offer us. Falling up, that's preposterous. Pick up on your chakras, you on the right trail. Cups up, that's a rock with a slow facade. I talk to myself, word to God, put the hands together, no applause. Fuck the Lord, I dress the fall, progressive off of the rest of y'all professional. And I'm still dirty.
Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born.
Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that.
A couple chips for the meal, that's a lot, don't nothing but $1 bills. The more the merrier, the richer I feel. I'm living ideal, I'm about to throw the tents on my wheels. My homies still leave you still with the steel. That's what shit.